This video we're going to use the graphing tool to help us graph a sleeping parabola. You know it's a sleeping parabola because we see this plus or minus symbol or notation out in front. So it's not just a square root symbol, you have a positive and a negative 5 out front. So that is why it's a sleeping parabola. So like any other problem, you want to find your locator point first. So that locator point here would be 6, positive 1. And you have to find your stretch factor, which is the number out in front of the square root, and that a value would be 5. Not a positive and a negative 5, just the 5, because the general equation already has a positive and negative. So as you're graphing this, what you're going to do is you're just going to, first of all, select your sleeping parabola down below, and then you're going to start at your locator point, or called the vertex. So that'd be at 6, positive 1. You put that dot, and then from there, you move 1 to the right and up 5. And then that would be your sleeping parabola. What you notice is that you move 1 to the right. Not only do you move up 5 units, but you also move down 5 units. And that's the whole idea here, is that you have a positive and a negative 5 that you're moving from that vertex. And that's how you graph your sleeping parabola.